A linear relationship includes the ordered pairs 1, 2, and 5, 7. Write an equation in slope-intercept form that can be used to model this relationship. Okay, so in this question, we are asked to write an equation, and they're giving us 2 points, 2 coordinates. So in this case, we would create a table, put those 2 coordinates on the table, use our Desmos-friendly slope-intercept formula. Remember, we have to show this on for our screen to scratch. Okay, then we have y1 tilde mx1 plus b. That gives me a slope of 1.25 and a y-intercept of 0.75. In an equation, our m is always next to our variable x. So 1.25x plus b. b is always by itself. So you would move the 1.25 first and then the 0.75 second. Okay, next question says the total cost for a company to make a product includes fixed costs of $3,050 plus $1,525 per product. Which function can be used to find C, the total cost for P products? Okay, so we're looking for C, so C equals, and then it gives us a cost of $3,050 plus, the word plus right here, 15.25 per. There's that keyword per, which means that this is my slope. So this will have the variable next to it. In this case, the variable is P. Tells me right here. Okay, so then we just look to see which of these has an equation with 15.25 next to the P and then a 3050 on its own. In that case, would be D. Okay, next we have a bakery delivers cookies to the offices. The bakery charges a $5 delivery fee. The bakery charges a total of $20 for delivering 12 cookies. And the bakery charges a total of $27.50 for delivering 18 cookies. What is the equation that represents the total change in dollars Y for a delivery of X cookies? Okay, so in this case, we also want to get an equation. They do give us 2 coordinates in the form of a word problem. So in this case, we have 12 and 20. 12 cookies for $20 and then 18 cookies for $27.50. So we're going to put that in Desmos in a table and then use our formula. So here I would have 12, 20, 18, 27.50. And that gives me a slope of 125 and a y-intercept of 5. This 5 is the $5 delivery fee that you see here. Okay, if you're still struggling to create equations, you can click on these 4 little buttons next to the table and you'll get an equation right here on Desmos. Okay, next we have which function is best represented by this graph. This is another one where we're going to have to find 2 points, but we're going to have to find the 2 points on our own on this graph. Okay, so usually I'll find these 2 points here. Where I see a common mistake is that you guys will put 3, 6 on there. No, each point has 2 numbers. So this one here is 0, 3. And this one here is 6, 0. Again, each point has 2 numbers. Okay, so now we have our table. I'm going to write down our formula. The more we write our formula, the easier it is going to be for us to remember it during the test. Okay. As you can see, my equation pops up here. Y equals negative 0.5 plus 3. We should all know by now that 0.5 is the same as 1 over 2. And so that would make my answer J.